Ready to go, ready to see. It's time for an adventure with me, Luca the Explorer.
Oh no! Max, you're so muddy!
Oh, Max. Look at this mess. I think we know what that means.
Okay, Max. First, we need the ducky. This way to the bubble mountain, Max. Whoa. Max? It's okay, Max. Look, Ducky wants to play too. Okay, secret weapon time. Look what I have, Maxie. Special treats.
All right, my muddy little man. In you go.
Wow, Max! You're a bubble puppy. Whoa. Max, you got me! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. See you on the next adventure.